In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add resume to LinkedIn. By the end, you'll have your resume ready for easy apply and showcased on your profile so recruiters and hiring managers can find it quickly. Start by going to your LinkedIn account. If you're not already signed in, simply continue through the prompts so you land on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, we'll first upload your resume specifically for job applications. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of the screen. Inside Jobs, open Preferences. This area controls how your applications are set up. Next, choose My Qualifications, then go to Resumes and Application Data. This is where LinkedIn stores the resumes you use when you apply with Easy Apply. Click Upload Resume, then select your file from your computer. A quick tip as you choose a file, use a clean ATS-friendly PDF or DOCX without headers, footers, or complex graphics. Keep the layout simple and give the file a clear name so you can find the right version later. If LinkedIn shows a preview, skim it to make sure your sections and dates appear correctly. You can always return to this same place to update or replace your resume when you make edits. Now let's make your resume visible on your profile so visitors can view or download it. Click on Me in the top navigation, then choose View Profile to open your profile page. Select Add Profile section to bring up LinkedIn's guided options. Open the recommended category, then click Add Featured. If you see a prompt or a featured panel appear, click Add Featured again to continue. In the featured area, click the plus icon to add a new item. Choose Add Media, which lets you upload a file directly to your profile. Select your resume file and confirm. As this uploads, add a short, clear title so people immediately recognize what they're opening, and consider a brief description that highlights your specialties or the roles you're targeting. Make sure the resume you feature does not include private details you don't want publicly visible. A professional email and a link to your portfolio are usually enough for outreach. That's it. Your resume is now ready for easy apply through jobs, and it's displayed in the featured section on your profile for anyone who visits. Keep your file up to date by returning to these same areas whenever you make changes, and use a consistent, well-named version to avoid confusion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.